The small town of Yaremche is located in the Ivano-Frankivsk region of western Ukraine, at an altitude of approximately 580 meters above sea level. This charming town is famous for its picturesque landscape and is a popular climatic resort and center of green tourism in the Carpathian region. The town of Yaremche is located in the Ukrainian Carpathians, a mountainous region characterized by asymmetric slopes and sharp ridges. Yaremche is truly a land where folk art comes alive. In small shops and souvenir shops along the road, you can buy a variety of products made by local craftsmen: Easter eggs, carved, inlaid and fired wooden vases, boxes, plates, spoons, barrels, and various ceramic dishes. This is a place where you will be enchanted by the variety and refined taste of products that embody the traditions and culture of this unique region. Each item has its own story and reflects the warmth of the artisan's hands that created it. The specific flavor and atmosphere of Yaremche make it attractive not only to tourists, but also to those who appreciate the work of craftsmen and want to buy unique items that carry the beauty and spirit of the Carpathians. These are the famous Carpathian ceramics, created by hand. You can also find Kosiv ceramics and wooden products from Kosiv, such as painted wooden plates. All this is brought to life by the hands of skilled craftsmen and impresses with its beauty and uniqueness. We are very glad to see you here, in our small shop. There are also Carpathian delicatessens nearby, so you can visit them and taste the delicacies from local farms. There you can enjoy a delicious lunch and have a great time. Please don't forget to leave your feedback about the local cuisine. Thank you. Let's take a walk around the town and visit the famous souvenir market. The souvenir market in Yaremche is famous throughout Ukraine. The Hutsul region has long been known for its authentic traditions and crafts, and the distinctive Hutsul culture is popular far beyond Ukraine. Everyone who travels to the Carpathians comes here to have an unforgettable experience and to take home a souvenir of their holiday in the Carpathians. The souvenir market in Yaremche is famous for its Hutsul handicrafts. It is a colorful place where you can find a variety of souvenirs, from traditional embroidery and carvings to unique ceramic vases.
Перший раз у Яремчу автобус з'явився. Бідний гутом на автобус цілий день дивився.
The souvenir market in Yaremche is filled with products from nearby and distant villages in the Hutsul region. Each product, made of wood, clay, leather, wool, or other natural materials, is imbued with traditional culture, imagination, and the love of local craftsmen. Here you can ask the craftsmen and women about their products. They are usually very sociable and can tell you a lot of interesting things about the production techniques and local traditions. Here, every item has its own story, and meeting a craftsman can be a fascinating discovery for those who appreciate handmade goods and national heritage. The fast-flowing mountain river Prut flows through the town of Yaremche. It is 967 kilometers long. The Prut rises in the Carpathians, not far from the Hoverla mountain. In its upper reaches, it has the character of a mountain river with a steep right bank. In Yaremche itself, there are numerous waterfalls and rapids that add to the unique beauty of this picturesque area. The upper part of the river flows rapidly through the territory of Ukraine for almost 272 kilometers. The lower part is slower. On the border of Moldova and Romania, it flows into the Danube, 3 kilometers west of the town of Rini, Odessa region. The Prut River is an important natural object in the Carpathians, providing excellent conditions for various types of outdoor activities and enjoyment of natural beauty. The climate of the Carpathians is characterized by high humidity and frequent rainfall. Today, the town has almost 8,000 inhabitants. Yaremche was founded in 1787. According to a local legend, a poor man named Yaremche settled in the area, and the name of the settlement comes from his name.